Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has been making waves in the culinary world, the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill/Griddle Combo. We found this impressive product online, and if you're curious about the latest prices and availability, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro? This versatile kitchen appliance combines the functions of a grill and griddle, allowing you to cook a wide variety of foods with ease. It boasts 7 different cooking functions, including grilling, air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, and even dehydrating. This means you can achieve everything from perfectly seared steaks to crispy fries, all in one space-saving device. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this product truly special. First and foremost is its powerful 500 degrees Fahrenheit independently powered grill grate. This feature is designed to create direct, edge-to-edge high heat searing, which results in better char-grilled results compared to many other grills on the market. This means you can achieve that coveted grill mark and flavor right in your kitchen. Another impressive feature is the 12-inch flat-top barbecue griddle. This griddle works in conjunction with the grill grate to harness high heat, allowing you to cook foods that traditional grills often struggle with, like pancakes or sandwiches. The precise temperature controls ensure fast, even cooking without those annoying hot or cold spots, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro also offers flexible cooking options with its hood-up or hood-down cooking modes. When you keep the hood down, it activates cyclonic air for fast and even high-heat cooking, which is perfect for searing and crisping your meats. On the other hand, if you prefer direct bottom heat, keeping the hood up allows for intense searing, ensuring your food is packed with flavor. One of the most convenient features is the Smart Cook System plus thermometer. This handy tool takes the guesswork out of cooking. It offers 4 smart protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, allowing you to achieve your desired doneness from rare to well done. Just set it and forget it, no more overcooked or undercooked meals. For those health-conscious cooks, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro air fries with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying methods, making it a great choice for guilt-free indulgence. The included 4-quart crisper basket allows for even cooking and crisping, so you can enjoy your favorites without compromising on health. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for a quick way to prepare meals for the family, or a culinary enthusiast eager to experiment with different cooking techniques, this product is for you. Its XL family-sized capacity means you can grill up to 6 steaks, or whip up a platter of nachos or pancakes for everyone at once. Practical use cases for this appliance are endless. You can throw a weekend barbecue, prepare a hearty breakfast, or even dehydrate fruits and vegetables for healthy snacks. Plus, with a smoke control system that minimizes smoke, you can grill indoors without worrying about setting off your smoke alarm. Finally, cleanup is a breeze. The grill grate, crisper basket, and barbecue griddle plate are all PTFE/PFOA free, non-stick, and dishwasher safe, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. In summary, the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill/Griddle Combo is an incredibly versatile kitchen appliance that delivers on taste, convenience, and health. With its powerful features and user-friendly design, it's sure to become a staple in your home.